Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little project where we're going to pick a random lottery number. Well, lottery numbers. So let's start off. Let's create an array here. Lottery numbers. I'm going to assign it to an empty array. And what we're going to do is create a subroutine called sub number 1, and I'm going to create my scalar num, which means number, so I'm going to create a scalar variable num1. I'm going to assign it to numbers between 1 and 99, and we're going to get a random number by using .pick, and then we're going to push that number, scalar number 1 here that we've got, into the array, and then we're going to go on to number 2. Right, so this code is basically all the same. We just copy that, paste it in here and do a few changes here. So this is going to be number 2, my scalar number 2, my scalar number 2 here, and then we're going to go on to numbers 3. Just drop this down here, and we're going to copy and paste that. So that's going to be number 3. Number 3 there, and we're going to go on to 1. Should be number 2, number 3. This is going to be number 4. Okay, number 4, and then I'm going to do another one here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to number 4. This is going to be number 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be number 5. And this is going to be lottery number 6. So I'm just going to go down here and do the same thing. Lottery number 6. Okay. And then all we're going to do down here, we're going to have to do lottery results. So I'm going to create a subroutine called lottery results. So we're going to come down here and create a little subroutine. So lottery results. Yeah. Say winning lottery numbers. So winning lottery numbers. So we'll print that out to the user. And actually, we're going to give it a little pause here. Sleep. It's going to be sleep 1. So that'll give it a 1 second pause. And then it'll print out this message to our users. And then we're going to print out the winning lottery numbers, which is going to be, they'll be stored in the array. So it's going to be lottery numbers. Okay. All we have to do now is save it. And we're going to start off by calling number 1, and it's going to generate a random number and store it in the array. Then it's going to go down onto number 2, do the same thing, then down onto number 3. When it's finished, it should print out the winning lottery numbers. So that's going to be number 1. And just call it like that, number 1. Let's go to the terminal. Let's just increase the font size a little bit there. So okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so there we go. We've got the winning lottery numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's just clear that. Let's do it again. Enter. Okay, so there's some more random winning lottery numbers. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.